Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. As we have seen last in thinking about the language on page number 75, A and B we have seen erupt and search, trace first we have seen, now second coming, make a mark or lines on a surface. Ravi traced the drawing on the tracing paper. Another meaning is there, making mark or line. Third one, to go back over again. Savita traced her footprints in the forest to find her way out. Fourth meaning, make one's course or travel along a path, travel or pass over, around or along. Example, many famous explorers have traced the routes of people who have gone before. The closest meaning of the word trace in the text to find or discover through investigation. That is it. And now D, undistinguished. Undistinguished. See, this word is not a root word or so is not directly mentioned in the dictionary, but some of its meanings are. See, it is not a root word, that is why not mentioned. Ordinary example, Ashok had an undistinguished career till he became 40 years old. Undistinguished means ordinary. Second, commonplace. Vinod had an undistinguished look. That is common. Third one, nothing special. Dinesh was an undistinguished student in his school, means not special, not any type of virtues finding. Now see E, that is casualty. The following are some meaning of this word. See, victim. Vinod was a casualty of the pranks played by others. One meaning, that is victim, becomes handle, martyr, die for the good noble cause. Lance Nayak Abdul Hamid was a casualty of the battle, means die for the country. Wounded person. Example, many Indian troops were casualties in the Bangladesh liberation operation. Again, wounded person who become injured. Many Indian troops were casualties in the Bangladesh liberation operations. Match the phrase in column A with their meanings in column B. Match A with B. So these are, as we have seen, from A to E, A, B, C, D and E. 5 different, one same words, different meaning. If we observe, we see, then we realize. Now see, match A with B. See, match the phrases in column A with their meanings in column B. See, broke out. A, first one, see, broke out. From B side we see, then C meaning, began suddenly in a violent way. It is called broke out. Number 2, in accordance with. Then F coming, according to a particular rule, principle or system. That is called in accordance with. A helping hand. That is D, assistance, means who help us. Could not stomach, for B, was not able to tolerate. not able to bear, that is called could not stomach, could not digest. As you know, some persons making progress, some are not digest it, that is called could not stomach. 5. Generosity of spirit, an attitude of kindness, a readiness to give freely, that is generosity of spirit, always ready to help others. Number 6. Figure of authority, figure of authority, E, person with power to make decision, who is able to take the decision, that is called that particular power. Again, broke out from A side, meaning C, from B side, began suddenly in a violent way. Number 2, from A side in accordance with. Then from B side, answer F last, according to a particular rule, principle or system. Third one, a helpful hand, that means D, assistance, who work together, who help. Number 4, could not stomach, then from B was not able to tolerate, from B side you see, B, second one, was not able to tolerate. Number 5, generosity of spirit, then A1, an attitude of kindness, readiness to give freely, always ready to help others. And number 6, E, that is person with power to make the decision. Now see from right side, passive voice. See, study this sentence. My parents were regarded as an ideal couple. My parents were regarded as an ideal couple. I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. Such problems have to be confronted. The italics verbs in this sentence are made up of a form of the verb be and a past participle, means third form of the verb. Confronted. This sentence focus on what happens rather than who does what. Notice that the doer of the action is not included in the sentence, means these sentences are passive without subject. Doer, that is called doer. Who does the work, subject not given. These sentences are without subject and passive. As you know, passive then you can write without subject, active then you compulsory write subject. If necessary, we can mention the doer of the action in by phrase. The tree was struck by lightning. The flag was unfurled by the chief guest. See, then you can add also, and without it also you can write. That means, as I have already told earlier on, that you can make it in proper way, and that is why it is very easy to write, because in passive, as you know, generally apply no need of subject. From the sentence you should realize that it is passive formula. Don't think like this, by him, by her or by them, then only passive, otherwise active. It is not good and not proper at all. Now see, Rewrite the sentence below, changing the verb in brackets into passive form. See. Number 4. See. Rewrite the sentence below, changing the verbs in brackets into the passive form. C. In yesterday's competition, the prize is given away by the principal. See in bracket. Give away. In yesterday's competition, the prizes were given away by the principal. See in bracket only give away written, but here simple past tense and passive. That is why you have to write was or were and past participle. Here prize is plural form, so were given coming because main verb give, but in passive past participle coming and give past participle given. Second one, in spite of financial difficulties, the laborers on time. In bracket pay. Pay means give. What is here? In spite of financial difficulties, the laborers dash means bracket pay on time. In spite of financial difficulties, the laborers were paid on time. Laborers plural form. So were and past participle of pay, that is paid. P-A-I-D. You know. On Republic Day, vehicles not allowed beyond this point. On Republic Day, vehicles are not allowed beyond this speed. This is simple present tense. Every year it comes as Republic Day. That is why simple present tense and passive. Vehicles plural form is there as So are coming, not already given in bracket, not allowed. So not have to write allow is the verb, its third form, adding ed, not allowed beyond this point. So according to the sentence, according to the tense, we have to write was, were in past participle or present tense, then am, is, are in past participles. Number 4, second hand books buy and sell on the payment every Saturday. Second hand books buy and sell on the payment every Saturday. Second hand books are bought and sold on the payment every Sunday. Simple present tense, every Sunday shows, as you know. And second hand books, books plural form, second hand books are buy then past participle bought and sell past participle sold. Are bought and sold on the payment means footpath every Saturday. So simple present tense plural form, that is where are coming and past participle of both the words, buy then bought, sell then sold. Elections to the Lok Sabha every 5 years. In bracket hold. In bracket hold. Election to the Lok Sabha, hold main verb every 5 years. This is also simple present tense. Elections to the Lok Sabha are held every 5 years. Election plural form. Every 5 years, so simple present tense. Election plural form, so are and hold past participle held. H-E-L-D. Hold is the first form V1, second and third form V2 and V3 both held, H-E-L-D. So here past participle is used, so held. Next, number 6, our national anthem dash Rabindranath Tagore, in bracket composed. Our national anthem dash means in bracket composed Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. National anthem was composed by, because it was composed in the past. So simple past tense. National anthem singular, that is was coming, and composed past participle, third form of the verb V3, that is adding D, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. That shows that if we want to make it passive according to the tense, what is the particular words given in the bracket, we must make it in proper way, that we should think and always we should use it in a proper way. So how to make it passive from active and how to make it active from passive, that we should take care of it. Again, number 5. Again, number 5 and 6. Election to the Lok Sabha are held every 5 years. Elections plural form is there and simple present tense. So are coming and held, hold past participle held. And number 6, our national anthem in bracket composed Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. That shows that simple past tense and national anthem singular, that is was coming and past participle of the verb composed, past participle composed, adding D, COMPOSE, already spelling is there. So it is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Clear? Keeping till here, this brings the end of this lecture. In next lecture we will see, rewrite the paragraph below using the correct form of the verb given in the bracket, that we will see next time. This you write one time and read 3 times, prepare properly. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.